This is ANN News Brief.
Good afternoon, I'm Lucy Adeyemi. Federal government workers from grade level 12 and below have been asked to continue working from home till the end of February amid surging COVID-19 infections. Head of the Civil Service, Folashade Yemieson, said in the circular, the decision was taken to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Nigeria has reached a total of 124,299 cases. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, says the country recorded 1,303 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday in 25 states and the Federal Capital Territory. 1,522 COVID-19 patients have died from complications related to the virus. More than 99,000 have recovered since the start of the pandemic in the country in February last year. Meanwhile, the Central Bank of Nigeria has warned the federal government against a second lockdown, saying it would be disastrous or catastrophic for the economy. The Nigeria Customs Service says a reduction on imported vehicles duties will begin next week. Comptroller General of Customs Mohammed Ali said the vehicle tariff reduction is already contained in the 2020 Finance Act. Ali told newsmen on Tuesday they are expecting an official communication from the Finance Ministry on the plan. He said once it is received, they will commence implementation immediately and inform other commands. He added, quote, "We are hoping that latest by next week it will become operational," end quote. NCS said a slash on duties is to ease the cost of transportation in Nigeria. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow the story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Baby vaccination rate is of concern to Rwandan authorities. The Rwanda Biomedical Center says it expects to vaccinate 360,000 babies every year with their first shot. But the number has dropped in Kigali during the total lockdown. Some mothers in Kigali city say they cannot miss their babies' vaccination schedules despite the city currently being in total lockdown. At a vaccination exercise in Kigali on Monday, not all who were supposed to bring their babies for the vaccination showed up, thinking the medical personnel will not be available because of the lockdown.
We have continued to provide our regular services despite the coronavirus pandemic. Certainly some hindrances exist, with some parents having transportation problems trying to bring in their babies. Some people at Gatenga, close to the Kicukiro Trading Center, have been having trouble getting here. Every year, 360,000 babies are born in the country, and we expect all of them to be vaccinated at least 6 times at different intervals at health centers from when they are born to the time they are 15 months old. That means more than 2 million shots for all those babies.
The government spends $10 million annually to provide babies with no-cost vaccinations. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.